Your listing could be flagged adult at any time. Here's how often it really happens. And you can see the listing right here. When you are flagged as an adult, you'll notice your sales drop significantly because you don't show up on search anymore and you can't run Amazon ads. And this is an example of an item. You can figure out if you are not showing up on search. You can copy your ASIN, and then what you want to do is log in incognito mode. So go in incognito mode, go to Amazon, type in your ASIN just in the search bar. So just make sure the categories, all departments, put in your ASIN, and if you don't show up, see, these are all just sponsored products, but the actual product does not show up. That means it's missing from search. So there's a large amount of customers that cannot see your product. So that's going to cause your sales to drop, and that's because of something called the adult flag. Also, you'll notice if you can't run Amazon ads, then you may have the adult flag as well. But this is going to be the biggest way to see. Right? And I'll give you another example. Here's a listing that's obviously not an adult product. Copy the ASIN, and we'll do it with a product that's not an adult product. Put it into here, and you'll see it literally shows up right after the sponsor. So obviously sponsored shows up first, but after the sponsor, it shows up number one. So you know that this does not have the adult flag at all. Now, how often does this occur? It depends on your product. If your product's an adult product, like maybe it's a male enhancement pill, right? And even if you don't have anything regarding like super adult content, or let's say naked people, naked woman, whatever, you can still get the adult flag. Usually it happens every 6 months randomly. Now, it could be a competitor reporting you. Amazon's like cranking up their AI juice and they're going through and they see something they don't like, or a keyword on the back end that they don't like, and then kick you off pretty much and give you the adult flag. So that happens a lot in these categories like male enhancement. Adult games. So just games that are for 18 years and up. Sometimes they randomly get an adult flag. Anything like oil, massage oil, which you don't think, but if it has something that's like sexual massage oil, boom, that could automatically get an adult flag. Like you can see right now, this one doesn't have an adult flag. It's got tons of sales, but at any moment, Amazon might just decide, hey, we're giving this an adult flag, and then all the sales are gone because nobody can find it in search. Any gag gifts, so you can see the middle finger pops up. This could be considered an adult product by Amazon at any time with the middle finger. So you need to be weary of that. This one definitely, right now it doesn't have the adult flag, but I'm sure if somebody reported it, or if Amazon cranked up the AI juice, this one would get the adult flag, and it would be such a pain to get it removed. Now, we recently did get the adult flag removed from one of our clients, right? So you can see right here, it's called Tease. It got the adult flag. We were able to get it removed. What you need to do immediately is show Amazon that you're not showing up in search. So you want to take screenshots, right? Once you do that, you're going to ask to speak to the catalog team and specifically say, we are not showing up in search. Either our search nodes, like our category nodes, are not working, or we have an adult flag. Most likely it's an adult flag issue. Once you reach out to Amazon, then you're going to ask them, and once they confirm it's an adult flag, what's causing the adult flag? Is it a secondary image? Is it the title? What's causing it? And the best way to figure out what's causing it is going to be through chat or through call. Through emailing Amazon's the slowest method, and they might not give you a good response. Once you figure out what's causing it, you fix it, and then boom, you are reinstated again for the adult flag removal. Sometimes it's extremely hard. Sometimes it's very easy. It just depends on the rep you get at Amazon. Don't forget to send screenshot proof. By the way, if you are stuck on Amazon, there's a link right in the description to go to our website. We'll give you a free listing audit and actually see if you do have an adult flag. Not only that, we'll look at your top competitors, give you top improvements on how to improve your listings so you can generate more sales. So check that out. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, like removing an adult flag or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll make sure none of your products get an adult flag, and if they do, we're the ones fixing it first. We call Amazon, we run your ads, do design, and most importantly, grow your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.